even happening? I went to the market yesterday. Everything is on the high side. Tomato, you cannot buy. Pepper is high. What is happening?
This Ramadan something they are doing.
Oh, the fasting. I've forgotten. And how are you?
I'm fine.
How is your home? Your husband?
My home is not good. But it's a useless man. If you ask him food money, hey, fight.
Aren't you lucky? Papa Chike is everything bad in a man. He humanizes. He drinks. He doesn't come home in the night. Then so many things like that. He's like a bed sheet, only useful at bedtime.
And you say I'm lucky. They are the same thing. Oh, that's why they are friends. Hey, he will not do anything in the house. If you ask for money, he will fight you. More than anything. It's like a table mat. It's only useful for food, not full time. Hey, it's a deaf man. He can't hear me. He can't hear us. He can't hear us.
No, but Papa Chike is not that. It's not like that. But my own Papa Chike is not deaf. But are you sure he can hear us?
He can't hear us. See. Let me prove it for you. Listen. Baba Tope. Baba Tope. What is the news? It's a deaf man. I'm coming up. Baba Tope. Baba Tope. Baba Tope. What is inside that paper that you are reading? He can't hear. It's a deaf man. Baba Tope. Baba Tope. Baba Tope. What is inside this paper that you are reading?
Look, man, this is the fourth time I'll be answering you. You this deaf man. Look, I heard what you and the Mama Chike were discussing and gossiping all the time. I heard everything. What else is in the news? What else is in the news?
Oh, Tope, I have to leave now.
There is nothing in the news.
Miracle has come, oh. You are deaf before, and now you are hearing. Hey, miracle in this house. Big miracle.
Hey, make una see Papa Tope don come again.